In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer to enable cheats like infinite health, infinite ammo in Assassin's Creed Mirage. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under standalone version, select the latest version. Once download done, select this folder icon, double click on the trainer and select yes option. And now you need to launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt tab and open the trainer. Now turn on the cheats you like to use. I'm gonna turn on infinite health for this. To turn on the cheats you like to use, minimize this and get back to the game. I'll show you guys the infinite health working. And as you can see, the infinite health is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.